Hi there, in this video I'm going to give you an answer for a question like why is iPhone so quiet even in full volume. So it's a matter of hassle if you are at your full volume on your iPhone but it's actually reacting like it's not using the speaker but you're getting a little sound, then this video is for you. And I'm going to show you how you can fix it. For example, I'm going to show you by going to call. For example, you're at a call here. Now from here you will find this icon here. You just will simply tap on it, and from here you will find two options, iPhone and speaker. If it has saved in iPhone, then that's mean it will use your ear speaker here, ear speaker. And if you have tap on speaker here, then it will just use your main speaker, so it will create sound according to your volume, whether you are at the highest volume or you are at the mid volume, or if you are at the lowest volume, then it will definitely make your phone silent. So make sure that you have select it on speaker, or if you find it true option for any media that you are on any source, so you can just definitely use the speaker to use your speaker or get the louder sound on your iPhone. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.